Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can sign up to Boo dating app. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything. If you have any problem or any query, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's just follow me and let's just get started. So firstly, just go to your Boo app. And then over here you'll be having option which says to sign in with Google or sign in with email. You can use either one of them. Let me just go with one, and then it will take some time maybe, and just choose your account. And then just type your name and then everything that it says, and just have your birthday, when is it, and just go with, and just what do you want me, just have it. So and then so basically this is how you sign up to your Boo app, and that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.